everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shauna Patterson and today we have an exciting video coming up. We're going to be running errands and picking up some supplies for an exciting project that we're doing today. As some of you may know, we moved into our new house and we have a lovely back patio that we want to spruce up a little bit for the summer season. So come along with us today. We're going to go pick up some items for the project. We're going to do a hanging string light situation. It gives off very like Italian trattoria vibes. It makes for a really cute atmosphere and we're really excited to do it. Today we are heading to Lowe's to go shop for the products. Thank you so much to Lowe's for sponsoring today's video. Jake's loading up the truck right now and we are about to head out. So come along with us and we'll show you what we pick up. We're in the truck now heading to Lowe's. We're looking for a nice string light set that we can use to hang up between the two brick walls. We're going to permanently attach the string lights using a wire system and some C-hooks and attaching those into the brick wall. So that's the plan. They have a huge section of different string lights to choose from. These look like a really nice option. So do these ones. Ooh, so many choices. We found this utility wire that we're going to use. This is a really thick one. So we're gonna get one that works for just hanging up the lights. We don't need something super heavy duty. And then we have to scout out some C-hooks or something that we can use to fasten the wire into the brick. Look at the size of these things. Holy cow. Do they have any anchors?
This should do. This is pretty much what we need. It's a masonry anchor. It's good that it gives you the bit with it too.
Yeah, perfect. So we've got everything that we need now to hang up the lights. Now we're gonna go home and get it all set up. We recently got some new patio furniture for our back deck and actually for our front porch as well. Every time I open the patio door, my dog comes flying. We actually picked up this little divider trellis. We're using it as sort of like an eyesore blocker because the AC unit is just beyond right there. From this view, you can't even tell. And then this will eventually get removed. We just have some spare tiles and the other cushions back there for the patio set that we are still working on. Backsplash is still TBD. We're working on it. We just didn't want to cut out in the cold freezing weather. And then we just put a barbecue over there. Jake's installing the string lights outside on the balcony. So we used a hammer drill with a 5/8 bit. This is the name of the bit that we use to drill the holes in the brick to put in the anchors. So we're making the little hooks to attach to the bolts that we hung up there and there, and then the other two on this side of the wall, so it's gonna come across.
So we used a hammer drill to drill 5/8 holes into the wall. We have 5/8 exterior diameter anchors for the wall with 3/8 interior. I used 5/16 lugs with eyes on the end, and so we screwed them in till we couldn't do it anymore with our hands. And we used a hammer just to get them to rotate a little bit more. Now what I'm doing is I'm just setting up the cable line. I'm putting fasteners on the line so that when this goes under load, because we're gonna have to pull it really taut between the two, we don't want the cable to pull free. I'm gonna have to get a bit now to tighten these even more, but that's basically what it's gonna look like.
Little Bean's just baking in the sun. It gets too hot out here, so he goes back inside. And now Jake is tightening the cabling to make sure it's nice and taut for when we hang the string lights between the two. So you can see that the wire just clipped right into that little carabiner. So now we're going to use the wire as a support system to hang the string lights. So now we have started at one end and we've just zigzag patterned the string lights all the way across between the two wires. So you can see here the two wires that are coming across right across here and one going along the back wall. And then we've zigzagged the lights across the patio using the wires as support. We don't have to worry about it coming down or falling. It's really secure. I think it turned out really nice. Our exterior outlet is down here at the bottom, so we took an extension cord and just draped it across the wire there just to bring it across, and we have it on a self timer so we can just call out to our little smart home center and turn on our lights at any time. This is the finished product at night. Adds a nice warm glow to our outdoor patio. It's great for entertaining, cooking up some dinner on our barbecue, and enjoying the night on our patio with our little puppy Milo. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!